tighten it up. The next step is
The folding Rollator walker by Vive provides portable mobility assistance. Removable front wheels and folding rear legs allow it to fit in the tightest of spaces. Ergonomic handles feature an easy-to-use braking system that can be locked, preventing the walker from rolling. The extra-wide seat includes a sturdy backrest for additional comfort and security. It comes equipped with a storage bag and a cane holder for added convenience. Let the folding Rollator walker by Vive provide you mobility assistance wherever you go.